Hello and welcome today. Today, few infos about market condition, which gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow, NVIDIA and earnings will display market condition. And as we know, NVIDIA is contributing a lot to S&P 500 and a lot to crypto AI. Therefore, tomorrow could be a bumpy road. Let's go. Hello everyone, this is 321 Crypto and we're gonna start today episode. So this is not financial advice. Everything I'm gonna say here is just my opinion. Let's go quickly to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin today, we had a nice retest here at our level. And at the moment you have to admit yourself that we can see here a little bit of overdose of that move. It's now too hot. And we could expect go lower. What I'm thinking now is that market have already priced in NVIDIA's move to the upside. So NVIDIA had this consolidation pattern, as you can see here, and maybe Bitcoin is gonna have something similar. So market here was priced in these earnings. 1 second, let's just go here. Oh, exactly from maybe from here. Okay, January 31st. Here it was pricing in these earnings, and now they think that the earnings won't be as good as everybody is thinking. So what I'm thinking is that if they will be good, market will tank. If they will be bad, market will tank higher. If they will be super good, superb, market will run again, and then we're gonna have correction. I can see this correction more or less coming. Of course, if somebody wants to nail the top in Bitcoin, nail the top, he will probably unsucceed. And then nothing will be learned, frustration only, okay? So if you had a nice movement on the coins so far, maybe it's time to think about getting in some gains before someone else will get. And we can see that someone else is getting these gains already from different coins, which we're gonna go through today. So Tau went also up. Look at this NVIDIA, okay? NVIDIA on weekly, look. So many weeks, so many months, so many years. Since 2018, up. Since 2000, since 2022, October, continuously up. Like this is going continuously up. It can go up again, no problem, but small pullback, why not? And this Bitcoin pullback that I'm talking about, it's not gonna be something, that's what I think, it's not gonna be something that we're gonna see Bitcoin for 20,000. I don't think so. I think we're gonna just go with the normal pullback that we already thought. Actually here, it looks like we have a higher top now, so we could get number 5 here, but this is the movement 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I reckon maybe it's gonna 1 2 3, and then this move will end up like this. So for the moment, C is covered in the zone more or less that we expect it to be, and that's it. We're waiting for tomorrow. I think market will gonna play everything tomorrow. So Tau went up, okay. CAS went up, Tara went up as well, and Tara at the moment, if somebody has a Tara, watch out, 3-5-B pattern, and we could go for the ABC correction. Okay, watch out, just watch out on this. Then once we're gonna correct that movement, look what is happening here. So I'm looking for Tara, and once on this correction, I'm gonna add more. Nexa, for the moment, Nexa, I think it's gonna go sideways. Octa, if somebody was taking this with me, don't forget about yourselves. Brock, at the moment, Brock is doing a kind of flat top, you see, usually this is a bullish pattern, and we could see rise to the upside. If market will be, of course, working, because if Bitcoin will dump, Brock will also dump, and everything else was supposed to going up, it's going to dump as well. Okay, Rio, the same thing. I'm waiting for Rio. At the moment, I can see beautiful 1, 2, beautiful 3, 4, and 5. And here, this retest could be actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and then some pullback. Okay. Still coughing, but anyway, we're going further. So at the moment, all the coins that I was looking at, which is Scallop, okay, which is Matrix AI, Orion protocol, block maybe no, GHX. I am waiting till these movements will go down for the correction. Usually look at the correction level at some normal levels here, okay, but you can see bright eye, naked eye, bright eye, naked eye, and then I'm gonna be accumulating more. Another one is also Sidus. Sidus, unfortunately, I think the money is escaping from Sidus as well. This is for me 1, 2, 3. So if Sidus will move lower than this 50 moving average, this red line, I think we're gonna heading here to a range of 4,000. That's it. So that would be it today with this analysis. All other coins, I can see them as well, that they could now rise for the arm B, maybe, you know, here, here, and here. So if you didn't exit any coin like L1 coins, like a dot, Polkadot, or let's say AWACS or different, watch out, because you're gonna have this opportunity when the coin will go up, and then probably the coin will continue its move to the downside. It was a nice correction, but it's just too sharp. I think it's gonna be something like this, and then dot could have a nice movement. Everything depends from Bitcoin. Everything depends from Bitcoin. So we have a nice bit of liquidations as well. Look, we went here from these liquidations to into this zone. Look, we are going to that zone. That's why watch out, because we could face these liquidations at the level of 50, and we could have that retest. But I don't think so. It's going to be huge dump. I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, I don't think so. It's like, look here. There are too many liquidations at the bottom, but it's like it's 40 grand. I don't think so. Like, I'm ready, but I don't think so. I'm ready to catch some coins, but I don't think so. A few messages here. Look, that's the investment funds. They are expecting that the S&P 500 will be again all-time high in this year, way higher, but we are looking for a bit of pullback in the near term. So watch out on this pullback, which is incoming. Few Polish messages. This is the Bill Gates one. So watch out on this sticker when you buy some food. Now it's been transformed, rebrand into this one. Okay, so watch out, watch out. Food, very important. On the tone, I don't know, do you use a tone, not coin? I mean, not coin at the Telegram. You know, that's the kind of bot that you can. There's a kind of game of mining the coins and so on. So if you're in it, fine. So now Cookie Tree. This is a project which could revolutionize Google AdWords and online marketing. Okay. So this coin could be very good with the marketing, and could replace Google AdWords because it's supporting plenty of marketing tools on blockchain, especially for marketing departments. Okay, and now it's available. I mean, it's available. There is a kind of advertisement on the Notcoin, but you have to open Notcoin on your Telegram, and then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, there is a kind of bot. You start the game and you are mining. Clearpool, Cpool, watch out, it's going to be listed on Bybit. However, it went up, so I wouldn't maybe bet on on that gain. But anyway, if you're gonna see it's going up, maybe it's worth to get into that train next. But watch out on Rune. Rune is gonna be delist on Bybit, and then probably price will go down. Okay, price will go down. Okay, let's go to different cooking books. 1 second. 1 second. So we have a crypto bubbles now. Beautiful red colors. Just a few coins are going up. I was talking about yesterday about this coin, and maybe I pump it. I don't know. Now Koti. Why I'm gonna accumulate Koti when it's gonna be in pullback? Because Koti released Koti version 2 core, which gives a way more functionality with privacy on layer 2, and the privacy at Ethereum is needed. So they are testing some solutions that they were able to adapt in their chain, and looks like they're successful in this. So this could be something that could rise, but after a pullback. Okay, after a pullback. I'm not going into Koti or different coins like Orient Protocol, because it's too high. Look, it's daily. Look, it's too high on daily. It's too high. Let it retest. It could pump. But I'm not buying it. Maybe I'm gonna buy this from that section, you know, here, because that's how I am accumulating these coins, which they have a kind of potential, you know, they have a potential. So maybe like this. So that's the NVIDIA. So NVIDIA now is around 11% move in NVIDIA shares after it reports Wednesday evening and Friday through Friday. CBOE Global Markets data show. So the percentage based on straddle. So this is what I was used to tell. This is what I was telling, that watch out, because NVIDIA's earnings will be a catalyst for the entire stock market. They have a huge market cap, and they just gonna dictate, you know, they're gonna move. If something is contributing at a high level into, let's say, S&P, the movement of this coin will actually be very visible. You know what I mean? If this coin will lose 10%, it's probably caused 20% down on the other coins, coin shares. Yeah. So watch out. That's why we are looking for tomorrow. We are waiting for tomorrow. This is just the Polish news about China. Bullish expectations are coming, while Ethereum ETF approval from SEC. So Ethereum ETF, it's going, and I think it's gonna be a narration after the Ethereum retest. So if Ethereum will gonna catch the pullback, small pullback as well, I'm adding as well. Remember, I don't think so this pullback will be the mega crash yet. It doesn't look that way. Okay, so I'm gonna use this pullback to grab some coins, and still going up. Of course, if black event or something will arrive, well, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. But if not, we are riding to the top. I'm thinking that we could end up this bull market even sooner than we think. Okay, even sooner, because the cycle is moving too fast up. So in the first cycle, we had our movement, let's say, if we're gonna put the distribution data, something like this. Another cycle, this 2020, was like here. And this cycle looks like we are heading like that. And here we have a time, okay? Here we have a time of the cycle, okay? So you can see here there was a huge cycle, that was middle one, and this one is like too early. So maybe it's pushed like that on the purpose, I don't know, but it looks like too fast. It's too fast. So that's it. It's just I'm just showing here in the Polish market how people are paying off their debts. At least that's what the media is showing us. And if we're going to look at the total delinquencies with mortgages, we can see that since that date that they were showing here, look, since August 2022, they were showing huge rise in paybacks. Yeah, so people were paying up their debts. Yeah, 2022 August. Yeah, here we can see that's in 2022 August. Okay, the people actually were delaying, or there was a delinquencies in the payment. So somebody's cooking the data just to show that everything is going fine. That's it for today. Take care, and remember, we are waiting for Wednesday.